surprise news.
Snowy holiday morning. It was present time. Joe's present was his duck blanket, which he loved very much. Slippery Soap got a bubble wand, and that's when he blew his first bubble. Tickety Tock got her first box, which she loved to count.
気持ちよさそう。
Shovel and
こ
Bear
ここ
got their first toy animals.
どうした気持ち悪い
And scientists